Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to start with basic missions. So let's get started. So here we have to open just basic mission, and then we have almost 11 tasks to complete the challenges. So we will start from basic one. So here we have the idiot test. So level 1. This level is what we call the idiot test. If you can't complete it, don't give up on learning all you can, but don't go begging to someone else for the answer. That's one way to get you hated, made fun of. So enter the password and you can continue. So we have to just know the HTML. If you have no idea, you must learn HTML. So I don't know what to write password. So here we have a hint of learn HTML. So let's go to our view page source. So here we have a source code of this site. Let's see search control G. Now here we have a search option, then type password. So here we have all the matches over here. Or if you know the HTML language, then you can see that this is the comment. So here we have a password hidden over here. So simply we'll copy from here and then paste over here. Now submit over here. So let's see. So we have completed the basic one challenge. Congratulations. So in the next video I will show you how to done this basic challenge too, and then further on we will create this series. So please guys stay tuned for our YouTube channel. This is Ahmad signing off.